Hey everybody, Chip Collins, Collins Group Realty, coming to you in the new year 2022, which is actually a very special year for us at Collins Group Realty because we are celebrating our 20th year in business. So you'll see some updates about that throughout the course of the year, some celebration opportunities. But mostly, I just want to say to each of you, as you have helped us grow throughout these 20 years, thank you for your business. Thank you for your support. And we're just very, very proud of what we've been able to accomplish as this unique and tight-knit team here in the Lowcountry. We're also bringing to you our ENews this month. Of course, it's a new year, so we've got all sorts of things to share with you. And today, I'm out in front of the Culinary Institute of the Lowcountry, which is a brand new development here in Buckwalter Place here in Bluffton. And it's just an amazing facility. As you can see, it's architecturally beautiful. They've got all sorts of opportunities to be able to bolster those individuals that want to be involved in the culinary arts here in the Lowcountry. And because it's new, it's one of the featured properties that we have in our results magazine that we're featuring below that's rolling out here this month, where we're talking about new developments in the Lowcountry, just in case you haven't seen it. A couple of really compelling, significant developments, commercial locations throughout the island in Bluffton, and we just wanted to bring your attention to it. So check out the results magazine. You've got a link for that below in ENews. And also, of course, we're bringing to you the latest and the most detailed information of what happened in 2021 in our marketplace. It was an amazing year in real estate. We all know we've been talking about real estate pretty much on the daily basis in your hometown, here in the Lowcountry, etc. We've drilled down on what actually happened, what the statistics were, what's happened with inventory, what's happened with values, etc. And as always, we're really proud to bring that information to you today. So we've got all sorts of other great things here in the ENews, but most of all, again, we just say thank you. Thank you for the new year and the opportunity to serve you and provide you with information and to be your go-to source for real estate in the Lowcountry.